Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I am a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. Today I want to talk to you about car accident settlements. So when is your car accident injury case settled, and how do you go about that process of settling your case? Um, so typically in the car accident injury case, a lot of people think that you're just going to get paid from the insurance company right away. They're going to pay for your medical bills, your lost wages, your pain and suffering up front. They're just going to give you, some money, and that money is going to be able to pay for all your medical bills and stuff. That's not the case. A lot of insurance companies will try to get you to settle early, and you don't want to do that at all. You want to wait until the end of you're fully healed to know the full extent of your injuries, and then you want to go to the insurance company and say, hey, this is my injury treatment, this is what I've done, these are my bills, and I want a certain amount of money for pain and suffering in addition to you paying for my medical bills and lost wages. If you go with the insurance company early, they're often going to say, hey, here's $1,000, we're going to pay for your medical bills, you know, 1 month after the car accident, and take it or leave it. And they're going to say, this is our final offer, we're not going to give you any money for that. They're lying. It's complete BS. They have way more authority to go above and beyond what they're giving you right now. You're entitled to a lot more than just 1 month of treatment. They're going to try to deny your claim, saying that your car accident wasn't that bad, your injuries are only soft tissue. You need to take this offer right now because we're not going to give you any more money for this low impact soft tissue case. That's a lot of the ways that the insurance company is going to try to frame your case to, one, make it so they don't have to pay very much money to you, and two, save their company a lot of money. So a lot of people, after 1 month after the car accident, they're going to say, oh, my injuries aren't that bad, I've been to the chiropractor, they want me to keep going, I'm feeling better, the insurance company's offering me $1,000 in my pocket or $500 in my pocket, and they're going to pay for all the medical bills so far, I'm going to take it. And then they don't realize is they can't get any of that money to pay for medical treatment going forward after that first month. So what the insurance company's paid up to that point is all they're going to pay for, and then that $1,000 that you got in your pocket or $500 in your pocket is either going to be used to go to the chiropractor, massage therapy, physical therapy, or it's going to just stay in your pocket and you're not going to get better. You're going to slowly get worse because you weren't cleared by the chiropractor to be fully done with your treatment. So the best thing to do is to wait until you're fully healed. The chiropractor lets you know that you're done with treatment and they don't think that you need any more treatment. And at that point, then you can go to the insurance company and say, hey, these are my medical bills right now. This is what I've gone through. I want this amount of money in my pocket after all the medical bills are paid. And that's what I'm going to do too as a personal injury lawyer. I have a little bit more leverage and more skill than the average person, and I know how to go through that process, but the average person doesn't even know what they're entitled to, what they can get, and how to even go through the whole process. And so what I'm going to do as a personal injury lawyer is I'm going to stop all communication with the insurance company, make it so you just focus on healing, and then after you're done healing, I'll take all the medical records, bills, and lost wages, and detail your case, what you've gone through based on what you've told me, any notes you've taken, and any conversations that I've had with you going through the course of the time of the date of the accident to now. And then I'll put together a demand package based on all the cases that I've seen and case law and verdicts around the county, and determine what I think would be a reasonable settlement based upon what I've seen and what you've gone through and everything. So I'll present that to the insurance company, and then we'll go back and forth and try to settle it. Usually they'll start off low, I'll start off high, and we'll try to meet somewhere in between, and then I'll give you that offer and say, hey, this is the best I think we can get without filing a lawsuit. What do you think? And if we do file a lawsuit, this is what I think we can get at that point. So we'll kind of weigh our options, see what it looks like with all the money broken down with that final offer, and see if it's worthwhile taking that offer, or it's better to go to trial and try to get more money at that point. So there's a lot of options you have, but it's best to have a personal injury lawyer to walk you through it, because a lot of people don't know really how to navigate that process and figure out what they can do. And a lot of times a personal injury lawyer is going to have more leverage with the insurance company to get that extra money that you need in your pocket, even after the attorney's fees are paid and all the medical bills are paid too. Usually the client sees a lot more money hiring a lawyer than trying to settle on their own. Anyways, I hope you guys have found this video very helpful, and if you I've been injured in a car accident. I give free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716. And to learn more information, visit my website at www.lawsharing.com.